How to make money on the site as a college student. Einhorn particularly revealed that Allied Capital was defrauding the government. He wrote an excellent book with reference to his 6-year battle with Allied called Fooling Some of the People All of the Time. Everyone of value investors should read it. Einhorn also nearly made it to the final table in the World Series of Poker major occasion in 2006. He gave away his $659,730 reward money from that event to Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research. Einhorn believes the United States could experience a Greece-type debt circumstances much earlier than someone thinks. He cited civil servant salary just as one instance of U.S. problem in making just like Greece. Einhorn explained how in 2008 the common U.S. federal civilian wage including reimbursement was $119,982 inches comparison with $59,909 for a private worker. Furthermore, when you have a government work you can still remain employed for 20 years later, which you will retire receiving retirement pay the rest of your life. Einhorn asked the sustainability of these entitlements. Einhorn wasn't the only real spokesman in the seminar. His hedge fund manager friends shared their valuable ideas too. The majority speakers in the conference held a similar idea to David's. The optimistic take was essentially everyone is adaptive. We'll find out how to adapt to these times and earn money out of them. There has never been a catastrophe that you cannot see coming. If you may see it coming, in which case you can adapt. To make investments in this challenging time, David thought to have gold as well as gold stocks. Then be concerned regarding your grandchildren later on. Like he thought when push comes to shove there is a good chance the Fed will print currency towards the point where significant inflation shows up.